And luckily for us, that oppressive heat is only going to continue to subside. But yesterday, we did in fact break a record. Your afternoon air temperature made it to 98 degrees. That broke the previous record of 97. To top it all off, we are dealing with a lot of humidity and corn sweat, if you will, if you remember that explainer. But it also felt like we made it to 114 degrees. So that's a pretty high heat index. Not going to see that into today, but we are still warm and muggy. Temperatures at the moment in the mid to upper 60s, 67 degrees in Poplar Grove, 69 in Sublette, 67 as well in Monroe. We're going to continue to climb off into the mid 80s, still warming things up, and any active weather you saw or might have even heard overnight is now long gone. We might see a bit of a drizzle, but most of the area on Exact Track here is fairly dry. Cloud cover, though, is a bit stubborn today. We can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm later, but a lot of us do trend to stay dry. We warm things back up, 86 degrees for that afternoon high. We'll see a bit of a breeze and still feel that humidity. In fact, take a look at what it'll feel like later today. Still like we're in the low 90s. We still climb with humidity in play, and it stays with us even through Thursday. So really not going to see a whole lot of relief until we get into the end of our week. Speaking of relief, you're going to like this trend on our dew points. We did see dew points reach 80 degrees. That was that oppressive heat that we felt, but we're only going to continue to drop. Take a look at what we have in store for Labor Day. Upper 40s. That sure puts a smile on my face. We're going to continue to see comfortable conditions settling in. That all thanks to a cold front that will pass through Thursday night into Friday, also bringing us this severe potential. Areas near I-39, but especially to the west of that interstate, are under a 1 out of 5 Thursday night early into Friday morning. Damaging wind gusts and large hail will be the biggest concern. Might still see some stray showers and thunderstorms as we head into the evening on Thursday. This is about 9:45. You could see that through parts of the area, but that line of thunderstorms really doesn't move in until a lot of us are well asleep. This is 1 a.m. You could see that line moving through, bringing heavy rain and again potentially stronger winds and damaging hail. It starts to break up a bit as it moves into northern Illinois. This is just before 4 a.m. Some scattered showers still with us as we head out the door early Friday and potentially even into parts of the afternoon. After that, though, we not only dry things off, but in comes the relief. Even by Friday, already in the low 80s, and take a look at this weekend. Plenty of sunshine, low 80s, upper 70s. Chef's kiss into that forecast, and that follows us even in your most accurate 10-day forecast. If you do like the heat, or at least the comfortable heat, if you will, low to mid 80s expected once we get into that extended forecast. Not too bad, Manny.